Good morning, Emilie. It is May 23rd, 2009, about 6:45 in the morning this Saturday morning. And you are awake and you are fed, so I am hoping that you are going to talk to us this morning. Hey? Good morning, sweetie. How are you? Are you going to tell us a story today? Are you going to tell the video camera a story? What do you think? What do you think, eh? Well, let's look outside. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Lots of green. Yeah. Everyone else is asleep. Everyone else is sleeping. So, what do you have to say, Kate, little girl? What do you have to say? Hi! Can you say something for Mommy? You want to give us a smile? Are there any smiles this morning for Mommy? Emilie! Emilie! How are you, pretty girl? How are you? Yeah? What are you thinking? What are you thinking, girlie? Hey? Are there any smiles in there for me? Are there any smiles in there for me? Yeah, I thought so. You're such a sweet thing. Mom needs to watch the video camera. I'm gonna miss it all. I'm just looking at you. Hey? You holding Mom's hand? No. You wanna hold Mom's finger? Yeah? Are you saying Do you have a tickly tummy? Do you have a tickly tummy? Should we get your feet? Should we get your feet? Yeah. What else? What else are you thinking, sweetie? Mimis, Mimikins, Emilie. Hello, Mimi girl. Oh, you are deep in thought. And you have the hiccups this morning. You had the hiccups every morning even before you were born. Did you know that? Did you know that? Emilie. Hi. Hi. Really? What else? What else do you have to say today? What else do you have to say today? Do you think Mommy should get up and get dressed so that she can be in the video with you? Because they don't want to see Mommy right now. She just woke up and she looks scary. She looks scary. Yeah? Is that all you have to say today? Is that all you have to say? Should we say goodbye to everyone? Yeah, what do you think we should do today? Should we go out, go on a walk, go on a picnic? Should we go to the farmer's market? It's a pretty day. There's so much to do. There's so much to do. Does that sound like fun? Should we go off on an adventure? Like your grandma used to take your mommy off on adventures? Yeah? Do you think so? Yeah. Okay. Well, say goodbye to everyone. You're just kicking away over there, aren't you? Just kicking away. And now you stop. What are you looking at? Oh. Oh. Well, my lovely girl. Say goodbye. Say goodbye for now. Alright. We love you, sweetiekins. We love you, Emilie. Say goodbye.